Hello, my nail polish fanatics, and welcome back to another sneak peek video. This time it's Kay's Corner Polish, and we have the 5 Shades of Grey collection for June 2026. I'll have all of the sales information down below in the description box, but this collection is currently on sale at kayscornerpolish.com. If you like this type of content, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload new content. So without further ado, let's see what Kay's Corner Polish has for us for this current sneak peek. Okay, I've got another sneak peek from Kay's Corner, and these polishes will be $10 or $14 for Holo. One of them are Holo, so that will be $14, but the entire collection is $40. This is the 5 Shades of Grey collection, which is currently on sale. And you can find these at kayscornerpolish.com currently. So let me go ahead and get started and open these up. She doesn't give me a standard description, so I will be describing these to the best of my ability. And y'all, look, I damn near cut my finger off this morning. But anyway, I survived. I didn't think I would get it to stop bleeding this morning, but we got it together. Okay, this first one, again, I like the packaging. I like the holographic labels. And this is grayish. She said this is more of a greenish khaki with probably just a smidget of gray. And just looking at it, it looks like it has just a tad bit of shimmer to it. But let's see. No, it's just a straight up cream. Now with her her brushes, I would prefer if it were the paddle brush, because that's what I'm so used to. But anyway, pretty color. Kind of gives you, this is more like pastel-y colors, but that pruggly pastel-y look. Get up. Okay. This one is a nude, and this is described basically a nude. It's more of a mauve to me in my view. It's more of a tanny mauve kind of. It's got like a tad bit of pink to it, looks like. Is more pinky than tan, I would say, with the nude part. And I don't know who come up with the nude, because your nude may not be my nude. There you go. But anyway, that's this color here, nude. Yeah, everybody's nude is not the same. Okay, this is baby gray. And this is a grayer. To me, in person, it looks more like a cocoa gray, I guess. Because it's got some brown to it. I like that color, though. I'm not usually a pastel-y person. This one normally does not look very well on me, which is the nude. But these other two are going to be really pretty on me, I think. We only have 5, so it's going to be kind of a short video. And this one's pinky nude. Another nude. This to me is more like a coral in person. I know it's kind of bright in the viewfinder, but I think you can see it now, more so now that I've redirected the light. But it's more like a coral to me in person. I don't usually like those colors for myself. And last but not least, I think this is the one that's going to be the $10 one because it's the Holo. I mean $14 one, which is the Holo. Yeah, I like that though. It's pretty. This is Holo Gray. And she's got the H for Holo. So this one is going to be Holo. It's going to have that Holo in it. And I hope it looks linear. I'm going to have to see if this has that really strong linear in it. This is going to be beautiful. So these are, again, this is the Holo Gray with the Holo in it. We've got Pinkish Nude. I'm just going to turn them this way so you can see it. Pinkish Nude. Baby Gray. These two are going to be my favorite. This is definitely going to be my favorite, the Grayish. So let me put the ones, top three. These are my top three here. And then these two nudes are here. So the top three are my favorite. These not so much. I can deal with this one, but the coral I just don't care for coral for some reason. But these are, I love these, especially this. But all three of these I like, and these two are at the bottom here. So if you like this collection, go ahead and visit kayskornerpolish.com. She already has these items up for sale. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I appreciate you taking the time out to look at my sneak peeks. Let me know which one is your personal favorite and if you're going to be picking up any of these gorgeous beauties. So I'll see you guys in the next video.